Hello students, today we are going to discuss finding the square root by long division method. This is a unique method and by using this method we can find find the square root of any number. This is little bit difficult, not difficult but complex than the prime factor. Finding the prime factor is easier one, but this is the unique method, and if you know this method you can easily find out any type of square root of any type of number. So let's start to discuss how we find it. In this case we do the division method. I am taking one example from your book so that you can easily understand. The very first question says that find out the square root of 22,601. It is not 2601. Mathematically 2601 is wrong one. We can read this as 2601. How we find out? First we make pair from your right hand side to left hand side, likewise one pair then two pair. Now we start to divide. Remember, we divide pair by pair, not number by number or digit by digit. We divide pair by pair, number 1, number 2. What we are using as a divisor, quotient must be same. The very first thing. There are various steps. You have to read this one. So first divisor we can choose such that what divisor we choose, quotient is same. So in this case if we see, it's a 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36. So 6 6 ja 36 is greater, so we can use 5 sorry 5 5 ja 25. So you can see what divisor we use, quotient will be the same. This is the first step. Now we subtract accordingly and then we bring down the complete pair 101. So this is a normal division. Now second step, we add this 5 to the divisor. What divisor we are using, what extra we are using, we have to add. So here we have 10. Write little bit left hand side so that you have a space. Now here we have 101. Here we have to choose one more number so that we can divide it by taking the same number as a quotient. Means what? If we take 1 over here, so we have to take 1 over here, we multiply 1 to this divisor to get the number 101. What we are observing, this completes cuts down, so we'll stop the division method. Here we can say that square root of 2601 is 51. This quotient is the square root of this dividend. This is your divisor, or whatever it is. Maybe I am wrong. So hope this one is clear to you. Now move to the some other type of question. Now we are solving one more question. It's 9409. Once again, see how we find the square root by using long division method. The very first step, we have to mark the pair from left hand side, from right hand side. First is mark the pair. Clear? First is you mark the pair. I am writing in very small hand writing. It is, I think, not visible. Now On right this side I'm trying to write the steps. Now then second, we find out a divisor to divide the first pair. Here we can write down 9 9 ja 81, 10 10 ja 100. So it's a 9 9 ja 81. We subtract as usual. 4 minus 1, it's a 3. 9 minus 8, 1, and bring down this 0 9. This is your second step. Now in second step, we have to find out the largest square number less than or equal to this first pair. Means 94 is first pair, and largest square number which is equal to or less than the first pair is 81. So we have to write 81, and also we write the square roots in place of divisor and quotient. See, we can write down its square root as divisor, not division, it's as a divisor or quotient, as a divisor or quotient. So we have written over there. Second step, we double the divisor. 9 9 18. Sorry, the third step, double the divisor. Double the divisor. 9 plus 9 18, and write this as a second step divisor. Second divisor or next divisor. So, and leave the space. It's now choose any more number so that we can easily divide this one. Means we have to find out the square number which is less than or equal to this complete dividend. So what is that number? That number we have to find out from here. Just see at the end of number 9. So here either we put 3 or we put 7. 3 is small, brings us smaller ones. We'll try to write 7. So 7, here we also write 7. 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry, 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 4 60, 6 carry, 7 1 ja 7 plus 3. Now this is the square number, we cross it. Now write it as second divisor. Now fifth, repeat the steps. Fifth is your repeat the steps. Repeat the steps means from the second. Clear? So hope this one is clear to you. Move to some more question. Today's last solution I am giving to you of 5 digit. It's a 23,104. Clear? You have to make the pair from left hand side. This one, and this is alone. So need not to make the pair. Now we'll try to divide from this. We find a square number which is less than or equal to 2. So that is your 1. How we get 1? 1 1 ja 1. Clear? 31, we double this number. 1 plus 1, it's a 2. Now next perfect square number by using, we get which is less than or equal to this 131. How we find out? We have to write down over here 3 4 5. If we write 5 over here, we get next square number which is less than or equal to 131 is 25. 5 5s are 10, 5 to 10, 12, 125. 11 minus 5, it's a 6. We add this divisor again. So what we have? We have 30. It's a 0, 4. So it's easier. Next 604 is itself is a square number. How we find this? This by 2. Not a square number. We have to find out the this dividend. It's a 604. Cross it. Need not to solve. So this is what is the square root? So we can write 23104. This is a square root of 152. So likewise you have to find out the square root by using long division method. Hope this one is clear to you. All of you try to complete your exercise 5B in your fair copy. That's all for today. Thank you.